Hello everyone, in this video we shall be performing a subtraction in base 4. A base 4, also known as quaternary numbers. And in base 4, the possible number we have is from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's look at some examples. We have 3, 2, 2, base 4 minus 1, 1, 2, 2 base 4. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. All in base 4. Let's look at another examples. We have 3, 0, 3, 3 base 4 minus 2, 0, 3, 3 base 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. All in base 4. Let's look at another examples. We have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 4 minus 3, 0, 3, 2. All in base 4. 1 minus 2 cannot go 1 here. Call it 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 is 0. 0 minus 3 cannot. There's nothing here. You borrow 1 here. Call it 4. 4. Borrow 1 here. Call this one 3. Borrow 1 here. Call this one 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. This one is 0. Borrow 1 here. Call it 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. All in base 4. Let's look at another example. We have 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 base 4 minus 3, 0, 0, 1 base 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 3 can't. Borrow 1 here. Call it 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. All in base 4. Thank you for watching.